Your Mount Vernon AE appliance is designed to automatically light a fire and deliver powerful, efficient heat when you need it. But like most wood fires, it still requires regular attention for continuous operation. During normal operation, you will need to fill the hopper, empty the ash pan, and clean the firepot and firebox periodically. Depending on the type and grade of fuel you are burning, the schedule for these normal procedures will vary. The quicker the ash pan fills up, the more frequently the ash pan will need to be emptied. This is the best indicator for cleaning the other components as well. Allow your appliance to cool completely. Empty the ash pan in a metal or non-combustible container with a tight-fitting lid. Place the container in a safe area away from combustible materials. Make sure the stove is cold before cleaning the glass. To clean the glass, use a damp paper towel or any non-abrasive cleaner. Then use a dry towel to wipe off any streaks that may remain. This is a good time to inspect the door latch and window seals to ensure they are in good condition and seal tightly. A tight seal is important for the stove to burn properly. The appliance must be completely shut down and cool, and the exhaust blower must be off. The firepot floor and firepot air holes will need to be scraped occasionally depending on the quality of fuel being used. Using the firepot cleanout tool, remove excess buildout from the firepot. It may be necessary to use your firepot cleanout tool to chip away material that is built up on the sides of the firepot and to push out any clinkers. Larger clinkers may have to be removed from the top of the firepot. Corn clinkers can be especially difficult to break up. If the clinker adheres to the sides of the firepot, you will need to manually clean the firepot. After cleaning the firepot and inspecting the holes, turn off the power, then restore the power. The auto-clean system will then clean itself. The glass door must remain closed for the auto-clean system to work. If you are burning premium wood pellets and the firepot fills with ash before the system automatically cleans, change to the utility pellet fuel setting. If the firepot overfills, wait until the appliance has cooled completely. Then unplug it and remove the excessive fuel. Clean the firepot, making sure that all the air holes are clear. Then close the door and plug the appliance back in. If unburned fuel falls into the ash pan during the auto-clean cycle, empty the ash pan before use. Unburned fuel can ignite in the ash pan, and the resulting fire can prematurely weaken and damage appliance components. Allow the appliance to cool completely. Open the doors, remove the optional log set, gently shaking off any loose ash. Be careful, they are fragile. And vacuum out the firebox. The baffle extends to the top and bottom of the firebox behind the firepot. Remove it by placing a flathead screwdriver into the slot on the latches in the upper corners and push down. The bottom of the latch will fall forward and off the post. Lift the baffle up, then out towards you. Be careful when you do this. The baffle is made of cast iron and it's heavy. Thoroughly scrub and vacuum the back wall. Next, using the crevice tool, clean the heat exchanger fins. Pay close attention to the crevice running along the back of the floor below the heat exchanger. Clean this area thoroughly with the crevice tool. It is critical that the two pockets at the back of the firebox floor, left and right, be thoroughly cleaned. To replace the baffle, place the two locating ears behind the bottom edge and tilt the baffle up and into place, centering it in the opening. The bottom of the latches will fit over the posts. Push the top of the latch forward to lock it into place. To clean the combustion blower, begin by removing the combustion motor mount using an 11/32 nut driver to loosen the nuts. You do not need to remove the nuts. Carefully remove the blower and set it aside. Use a shop vac to clean inside the exhaust area and the fins of the blower. Inspect the gasket. If it is torn or damaged, it must be replaced. See your dealer for a replacement. After completely cleaning the exhaust system, reinstall the blower. Perform or check with your dealer annually for a thorough exhaust system cleaning. We hope this DVD has helped you understand how to operate and maintain your Mount Vernon AE pellet stove properly so that you can enjoy your new Quadra-Fire for many years to come.